And the race is on. Dugas Fantasy from the outside. St. Lifa. Bodica down on the inside. Speeder Firm is racing in fourth, trying in fifth position. Big Bang, while Grand Homer is the early trailer. St. Lifa. Dugas Fantasy fighting it out for the lead. Bodica racing in third by some 4 lengths and running in fourth by another 4 lengths. Speed of Firm. A long way back to Big Bang and Grand Homer. It's now Dugus Fantasy, the leader by some 2 lengths, followed by St. Lifa. Bodica is running in third by some 2 lengths. Speed of Firm. Rounding the far turn, Dugus Fantasy by some 4 lengths, followed now by Bodica in second. St. Lifa is racing in third and Speed of Firm racing towards the last 450 and going to the long night stretch run with a favorite Dugas Fantasy, followed by Bodica from the outside. And nearing the last 150 meters more to run, Dugas Fantasy and Bodica on the outside, but still Dugas Fantasy, Bodica on the far outside, but still Dugas Fantasy and Bodica, and finally Dugas Fantasy, Bodica is with a firm St. Lifa, Grand Homer, and Big Bang.